Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two glass rinser brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Grandiance glass rinser and the Delta Faucet glass rinser. Glasses aren't the easiest things to clean, especially those tall and narrow ones. But what if we told you that owning a glass rinser will save you from all the trouble of cleaning the most challenging of cups? These glass rinsers are extremely handy in the kitchen and will save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you are hosting a large party. To help you find the ideal one that'll tick all the boxes on your list, we have gathered two of the best ones available on the market and had them face off in a battle of a lifetime. In today's brand wars, the Gradiance glass rinser will be facing off with the Delta Faucet glass rinser. Both these units have earned a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. We hope you're prepared to find your match because these two products are ready to sweep you off your feet. If you are interested in other glass rinsers that we have reviewed, do check out our glass rinser review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these glass rinsers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their functionality and ease of use. Kitchen sink glass rinsers function by cleaning your bottles and cups using high-pressure jets of water into the drinkware while it is upside down. This is basically how all glass rinsers work, but some units have unique ways of functioning. It is important to know how each glass rinser operates, so we suggest looking at its functionality. Grandiance uses powerful and forceful water jets. You can place this on the rinser for just a few seconds for a thorough rinse. This makes the overall cleaning process extremely simple and quick. Much like the competition, Delta uses powerful water jets that thoroughly rinse your glass in seconds. This makes it relatively easy to use as well. In this category, it is quite obvious that our competitors are identical in every way in terms of functionality and ease of use. Given these facts, we will be ending this round in a tie. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their versatility. A good glass rinser should be adaptable, being able to clean and sanitize not just regular glasses, but all other types of glassware such as coffee cups, wine glasses, and even bottles. This is especially helpful in the restaurant since they offer a diverse selection of beverages. That being said, be sure to consider both the unit's capability and usability before you purchase one and take it home with you. Gradiance boasts a wide enough diameter to wash out cups of various sizes without the need for you to stick your hand inside the glass. This makes it capable of quick and efficient cleaning of large latte cups, baby bottles, wine glasses, tall glasses with a skinny neck, and more. Meanwhile, Delta can reach areas of the glass that your hands normally cannot. From travel cups to baby bottles, this unit is capable of rinsing virtually any drinkware, saving you a lot of time and effort. This is yet another category where Delta and Grandiance perform identically. With no unit having any advantage over the other in this category, we will be giving these glass rinsers a point each. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their material. Any high-quality glass rinser is made of materials and components that require minimal upkeep. It goes without saying that the glass rinser's components must be both durable and sturdy for maximum longevity. Grandiance features a solid metal build. It is made of full SUS 304 stainless steel, while its mounting shank is made of brass for maximum water safety. It also features a brass spray head where the powerful jets come from, providing maximum cleanliness. On the flip side, Delta is made entirely of plastic coated with a stainless steel finish. This one is quite obvious. Grandiance, with its solid metal build, wins this category by a landslide. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of installation. Glass rinsers can be installed relatively quickly since they simply replace sprayers, soap dispensers, or sink hole covers. In the case that you have an under-the-counter sink, you can install it on a countertop hole by yourself, assuming that you have an available spot on which to put it. However, if you are installing one in your home bar, we suggest having it done professionally. Grandiance is easy to install with its 42-inch supply line and adapter T that allows you to connect it to the water supply. The entire installation process can be done in as little as 10 minutes. Just like the competition, Delta also ensures easy installation thanks to its sleek, low-profile design that coordinates with any faucet. It is also worth noting that the unit can be installed in an empty standard countertop hole. When it comes to the installation process, these two glass rinsers are virtually identical. That being said, it is only fair for our team to end this round in a tie. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their special features. Special features are worth looking into since these more often than not help you in the overall glass rinsing process. We suggest buying a rinser with special features that help boost the unit's overall efficiency. Grandiance boasts 360-degree free rotation that allows you to wash your glass at a slightly slanted angle. Its 6-petal design silicone pads also prevent slipping during the rinsing process. To top it all off, the unit features a professional check valve that provides backflow protection and flow control. This ensures that there is enough water pressure while operating at maximum water efficiency. On the other hand, Delta's Spot Shield technology keeps your glass rinser cleaner for longer by resisting water spots and fingerprints. Both these units have their respective advantages. However, Grandiance's special features are more inclined to function practically more than anything else. We will be giving Grandiance that point in this fifth and final round. After a detailed breakdown of the Grandiance glass rinser and the Delta Faucet glass rinser's most important features, we finally have reached a verdict. Grandiance performed brilliantly, scoring a point in every round. Delta, however, was only able to score a total of 3 points, with each point coming from a tie. With Grandiance's innovative special features and superior quality material, we will be crowning them as the champion in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Grandiance glass rinser and the Delta Faucet glass rinser has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next glass rinser face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you at thetrustatchoppingguide.com again soon.